What's the meaning of cleaver? Cleaver. Cleaver.
Cleaver. Cleaver. A cleaver is a type of heavy, rectangular knife that is designed for chopping through thick, tough meat and bone. It typically has a thick blade that is sharpened to a sharp edge, allowing the user to slice through meat with ease. The result of using a cleaver can be perfectly cut pieces of meat that are ready for cooking, as well as bones that are cleanly separated from the meat. Cleavers can be found in professional kitchens and home kitchens alike, and are an essential tool for anyone who frequently prepares meat dishes.